Hey guys, it's Yvette and welcome to day 17 of Vlogmas on my channel. It's going to be apparently really snowy today. It's obviously the night before, so I'm just letting you know that Vlogmas day 17 is apparently going to have like some kind of crazy blizzard or something in my house. I don't know if it's technically a blizzard, but we're supposed to get upwards of like 16 inches of snow or something. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'm ready to open up my advent calendar so I can do that real quick before I'm going live, as I do every Wednesday. Like I said, this is the night before. So I needed to hurry up and kind of get this filmed for you guys. So someone gave me the suggestion that I should start the other direction, like start opening with the stitchy box first and then work my way over to the cotton cuts, therefore getting to the happy place at the end. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to open up the stitchy box first, and here it is. We're at day 17. Move my water. Let me see if I can get number 17 out of here. Oh, here it is. It's getting better because, you know, there's obviously less days left. Okay, so here is day number 17. This is in the stitchy box, which is the box for cross stitching. Okay, here we go. It's soft. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Day 17 is a snowflake bag. If you spend less time wrapping presents, you'll have more time to stitch. Use this little bag to carry your Christmas stitching tools or to wrap up a small present. These people got a thing for burlap. There it is. It's a little drawstring bag. It's burlap with some snowflakes on it. Okay, we got another burlap sack. Wow. I need to go start looking up the price of burlap these days because maybe I'm missing something. Maybe we should all be investing in burlap. I don't know. Goodness gracious, gray balls of fire. Okay, I now have the Stitch Supply Company. And I get to open up the little door for number 17. All right, let's see what's in there. Okay, we have a door full of squigglies. And let's see here. Okay, it's a measurement, obviously, of different sizes, and there's like little bitty holes. So you got 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, and 3/4, and then of course it's an inch across. I mean, I'm sure there's uses for this. If you can get like a pen or something small enough to go in there. But I mean, okay, I need to calm down and like get a check here. I need to get a check here. I need to like I mean, I'm sure if I weren't so flabbergasted right now by the Stitchy box, I would be able to really think of how this is such an awesome thing. Okay. I mean, I get what it's about. I don't know when I would use this. So you guys, please help me. When would you use this? I need somebody else's brain right now because I think I'm losing mine. Help. Okay, I'm just going to put this back into number 17. And now we're going to open the cotton cuts, and we're going to see what our lovely fat quarter is for today. All right, let me pull out my envelope for number 17. Okay, fat quarter, fat quarter. I got a fat quarter. I got a fat quarter. I don't know what it is, but I hope it's Christmassy or something. Okay, here we go. All right, we have a little saying every day. Today it says, the only limit is your mind. Awesome. Okay, and this, I'm trying to, okay, so here it is. I think this is Allison Glass, but I'm trying to remember if it is. What line is it? What is the Christmas line? I don't remember what it's called. Darn it. Okay, hold on. Let me see if there's selvage. And of course there's not. All right. Well, I have to start a live in like 4 seconds here. Maybe not that fast. But I will double check and make sure. I am like so sure that this is Allison Glass, but I don't remember the name of that line. That was her Christmas line. Oh, what was it? Okay, I will figure it out, and I will put it in the description box so you'll see it. And hopefully I'll actually remember to do that, because sometimes I make these videos and then I edit them so fast that I completely forget that I was supposed to give you some kind of information. And if I ever do, please feel free to call me on it, and I will get that info and put it in a comment below. But basically, it's just because I forget. Okay, so I will figure that out, and I will let you guys know. And I think this was super awesome to end on a positive note. I do love the fat quarter for today. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. So happy to have you here. It's just a tiniest bit less depressing whenever I've got a whole group of people watching and commenting. Makes it easier. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a very lovely day. Mwah.